Hey guys, it's Ralph Greenwood here, and I'm sorry you haven't heard much from me lately, but it's been kind of crazy, but not as crazy as it could be. I've just had to change my schedule around. I've had to work more weekends than I usually do, and I love shooting videos on weekends and just projects coming up and dealing with with what I call it the big bugaboo. You guys know I work in healthcare. I clean stuff. I'm support staff, but I'm still essential. And we're short-staffed because we had people quit, and then they changed the schedule around. So like I had to work more weekends than usual, but they did a scheduling change. I work this coming weekend, and then after that I will actually have 4 weekends in a row, which I haven't been able to enjoy for 2 or 3 months. But anyway, I don't want to harp on about that. Just we're all taking care of it, and right now I want to say hi to Eddie, the guy I work with. Now Eddie is a caregiver, and I'm telling you, Eddie works midnights, and I usually see him in the morning. I usually come in and like, hey Eddie, and like he tells me what's up and what's going on. But like for a period of 2 weeks, I was seeing Eddie all day. He was like working doubles like crazy, but I haven't seen him for a couple days. So he's probably enjoying a day, some time off, which he deserves. So, hi Eddie, and all the caregivers, they've been working a lot of hours. They've been putting in buku time. But I just want to say thanks to all of you for doing what you do, and I work with you and stuff. So, now, look what I got. From Container Man 68. And this is the limited edition. Okay? With subscribe, like, and share printed in yellow. This is the limited edition. There's only a few of these from his contest that he had a while back. And I got this neat mouse pad. I like the flame coming out of the stack there. That's pretty cool. And I got a my refrigerator magnet. It's on the refrigerator. It went on the refrigerator. But I want you guys to take a look at this video real quick. This video right here. Ripped open like a sardine can. Now this looks horrendous, but I don't think that there were any serious injuries. It was just these 2 trucks were involved, and Roy says in the video that it was probably because of high wind, and he's on I-80, and it looks to me like possibly Wyoming. I think the police cars look kind of familiar, but anyway, the technology of semi-trucks like the box trailers, has evolved so much, because back in the day those used to be made of metal, and now a lot of them are made of composite materials that will absorb the shock, and it'll make a simple sideswipe accident like this there's a lot less chance of injury, but be careful on the roads, ladies and gentlemen, and check out Roy's channel if you haven't. I will put his link down below. Okay? Now, another thing, I bought some stuff. Wilmer had a contest. It was quite a while ago. Like I said, I'm getting caught up here. And I was supposed to get his diorama. His son wanted the diorama. He wanted to, and his son built a wonderful display for the diorama. It's beautiful. And so I got like $100 gift card. That was the deal. And I got these two hoppers in scale. One's UP, the other one's ICG. I got these I bought these at Yankee Dabbler, okay? And then, and I got these two, I bought these from Lombard Hobbies. There's a transfer caboose and a half bay PC. And also there was another PC caboose that I bought from Yankee Dabbler, but I don't have it here. I believe it's upstairs. Okay, and I'm going to put a link to Wilmer's channel as well down below. And there's also a link to the video that Roy made, ripped open like a sardine can. And there's another video that I'm going to link you to that it's about a twisted trailer. I'm gonna put that down below. Okay, so now about the car barn. I've got plans for the car barn, but those I'm gonna have to take a little trip. It's a build, and I'm gonna go take a little trip, and I'm gonna take measurements on a static display, and then and I will make a video of that, and I'm going to do a build. It's kind of like a scratch build combination bash. Kind of scratch bash, I guess is what you would call it. But anyway, I just wanted to check signals with you guys, let you know I'm doing all right. It's just kind of pandemonium for a little bit, you know. Plus, I've got a rental property that we had to get some stuff done there. We had to get the yard cleaned up. I had I cut a whole bunch of stuff down. We had a big pile of stuff, and we got tired of mowing around, and we had to get it all cleaned up. But we got the yard looking good, and plus I got a break in mowing because the grass has just gotten so dry around here. I'm probably going to get out of mowing this week, but yeah. But I want to thank all you guys, all of my subscribers, all of you that have been asking about Car Barn. You know, we're working on it, and it's going to happen. And also, these pieces of rolling stock that I just showed you, I am going to do reviews on them. I've been working on that too, and I've also been working on a rating scale for the reviews. So I've been putting that together. So that's another thing I'm going to be doing. So just hang tight. Like I said, I got to work this weekend, and then I'm going to have 4 weeks, hopefully 4 weekends where I won't have to work. So you guys hang in there, hang tough, man, and just you know, we're coming. It's kind of like we're getting along with this, with the BuggaBoo. It's like going on, you know. They've already kind of lifted some of the restrictions and stuff. It's just, you know, just hang with it, and be patient. That's what I'm trying to do, and get some stuff done at the same time. So you guys, I appreciate all the comments, everything. It's, you know, I haven't lost interest in it or anything like that. Things are fine. It's just scheduling, you know, having to work, and also we will be getting some more. We've hired some more staff. It's just a matter of getting them in, getting them trained. So, all right, you guys, take it easy, take care. This is Ralph. Take it easy. Later.